Hey everyone, TPM 1999 here. Feel free to like and subscribe. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a Tesla Model 3. Now notice I didn't say Hot Wheels Tesla Model 3 because this is how they're actually shipping Model 3s now. Elon Musk has invented growth and shrink rate technology where all you need to do is unbox it in your garage, let it sit in the dark for 5 minutes, and then it'll grow up to a full-size car. So let me do an unboxing here real quick. Sorry for the dirty floor, but it's spring, that's fine. Usually I don't mess with new cars with one hand and a camera in my other, but this is new tech, so it should be safe. It's been shipped in small containers throughout the whole world, and this is how they're able to ship it around the world. And here we go. We try to put on the ground gently here. We try to line it up so when it grows in 5 minutes that it will be the full-size car. There we are. So there's the new car, walking away. Let's see if I can get this car to grow to the full size like they promised. Okay, let's turn off the light and come back in 5 minutes. Alrighty, it should be ready by now. I heard some beeping, so let's see if the car is full size. Oh my gosh, it is. There it is. A full-size Tesla Model 3. I can't believe Elon did it. Both shrink ray and growth rate technology perfected.